This is a simple demo of the cricut used to a computer to steer it. This is my joystick and cable running into the laptop, and the serial cable running back, way back into the cricut. I've already got a computer program running that is centered, so it's moving the cricut from 3-4. So as I move the joystick, the cricut moves, and I've attached the first button to move the pen up and down, so I can draw some simple shapes. Now this is a polygon. And that was a box just drawing a box, a border if you will. So now I will cancel the program and eject the paper. And if I had a PCB etch resist pen and a PCB, I'd have some sort of not very useful circuit.